Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ma'am, this is the OPD we have, and from here we started the operation in December. We shifted, and here we have the general oncology OPD, we have the RT OPD, we have the palliative care OPD, and we have the screening OPD. So we have broken up. Initially we were just one OPD and managing everything together. Now we have four. How many rooms do you have here now?
Currently, 90 people are 90 beds.
What are the new equipments that you put in place? Equipments will be coming, ma'am, because the testing is being done by the Tata Memorial Mumbai. So we'll be getting a single energy linear accelerator and a simulator. Let's just go check the You want to see the medical rooms, ma'am? I'd like to speak to some of the patients and find out how things are.
Now we have 468 machines, 468 machines. Are your medicines coming regularly? You have the more modern versions, or you go for the old?
Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, kabalong Menteri Jong Ketanat ka Koj ka Khia ha khat santrik uleber arjar arhulai. Kalalai ban Jurip ya ka Cancer Institute kabadan Shillong Civil Hospital tang hapo khindiat sngi baklasha pen khamti ban pet ya ni Ketanat Jong ka Koj ka Khia. Ha ka jengkran migilat pathai kubur hadin ke jing Jurip ka Dr. Ampareen kalai thu ba jingtai jong ka sarkar ya ka Cancer Institute ha Shillong Civil Hospital kalong ban ajing sumar ya ki nong jong ka jala kibangat ha ka jingpang bampong. Hakajuk upor kala ajing ro ru ye ki doktor kiba ajing sumari ki nongpang bampong hakani ke hospital da ka ong ru ba sarkar kan bu hakmat ya ka thong banyak khun persya ya kani ke jingpang kabala bu jing e ye ki long yeng long sem kibangat hakani ke jingpang
Across the board, across gender, across ages and age groups, because it has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they are well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this Cancer Institute as well. Because of the jargon that will probably be a big hurdle for me to explain properly, I think we should give them an opportunity to explain this facility to the people of Shillong and the state of Meghalaya more efficiently. I think they've done a very good job, and the government has also come up with a mission, a cancer mission. Now, the very fact that we call it a mission is because we have to combat cancer as a disease on a war footing if we want to address this big problem that the state now is faced with.
So right now the cancer wing is ready with the indoor facility, the daycare facility, and the indoor facility we have 90 beds, and we're catering to all the cancer patients, which includes chemotherapy, radiotherapy, palliative care services, screening services. The radiotherapy setup will be coming very soon, which the tendering is not in our hand, it is being done by Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. And we're getting a linear accelerator, single energy linear accelerator, and a city simulator. Presently the radiotherapy is being done from the old civil hospital building with the telecobalt machine that has been serving the state for since 2006. So, and in addition, we are also, we are not only talking about treatment, we are also talking about preventing cancer and early detection of cancer in the state, because we need to reduce the cancer burden, as we all know that the country stands first in tobacco related cancer, and we stand second in males and 11th in females in all cancers in the country. That is our ranking, and we should not be proud of the ranking of our country in cancer, because it is high time that we wake up. The Northeast is the cancer capital of the country, and our state is also coming very high in this ranking. And as we know that tobacco use is very rampant in our state, and where we have to encourage, go from the people who have never used it to the school children. That is where we're going to target now. Because people who have already consumed, I know it's not easy, when you have a habit, it's not easy to really give up a habit. But then we should target our youths who have not started. And they should know the ill effects of tobacco. And whatever campaigns or whatever mission that we're going to take up now, we do not expect to see the result immediately. But I hope in the next 10 to 15 years, we will have a Meghalaya with a lesser burden of cancer. I told you, we're getting the linear accelerator. The building, everything from the government side is done. But then the funds, as you know, is being sponsored by the Department of Atomic Energy. And when the MOU was signed, at that time, the Department of Atomic Energy has given the entrusted Tata to do the tendering for the machine. So we cannot, we have no say in the procurement of the machine. But of course, we hope that tendering is already done, because they are not only tendering for civil hospital, they are also tendering for several other centers. So if there are hiccups in any centers, then obviously ours also get affected. But hopefully this is the final tender, and I hope it is done within next 4-5 months. But it is beyond our control, because it is not being done by the state government. Treatment at civil is already fully functional. It's not that we are not doing any services. We are already doing radiotherapy, we are already doing chemotherapy, and all the other cancer surgery, everything is being done. But it's just we are upgrading our radiotherapy services. We have manpower, but we do have a shortage of radiation safety officer, because we do not have any local qualified personnel who has gone for this course. So right now we have to take people from outside. For this post, radiation safety officer is a person who looks after the radiation machine and all the quality assurance related to the machine. We already have a tie-up between Civil Hospital Shillong, the government of Meghalaya as such, and NIGRIMS for cancer care. It was started with the FCC project, which is going to take place now, where we're going to, the NIGRIMS hospital will also assist us right from the treatment to the diagnosis. Like our pathology lab is not so well equipped. We might not have many facilities. We will be sending our patients to NIGRIMS, and it will be done cashless through the MHIS. Also, treatment-wise, since we do not have a surgical oncologist, we are having a partnership where we can send our patients to NIGRIMS for the surgery, and patients come back to civil hospital. Average new cases per year, we register around 1,000 plus new cases, and per day our OPD attendance, both new and old, is roughly averages to 50 to 60 patients.
We now have to inculcate this ability to not just react after cancer has been detected. They've just started a new program where it has been recently launched only for the East Khasi Hills region, where the largest number of detections have been found. But because the East Khasi Hills region has registered the highest numbers of registered cancer patients, this project takes off from East Khasi Hills. Now, how does this work? They're going to be screening for multiple, under multiple parameters for detection of cancer, so that you have early detection, early treatment, and overcome cancer right from a very early stage.